Oh, oh, she attacked me now.
You're trying to get away from the computer.
Dixie, come on, go. Here. Oh, get her, Dixie. Get her. Here, come on, go. Come on, get her. Get her, come on.
Go get her.
Go. Go.
Such a wimp.
You're a wimp.
Freaking pussy.
Literally.
Yeah. Oh, no, Catberry's bed.
Well, I think we got 21 minutes of this junk. Got this. This is fun.
Okay, I'm about to go get her.
Hey. This is so cruel, but it's so funny.
It's okay.
Where's she at?
Go to the other side of the bed.
Where is she? Oh, she's right here. Come on, kitty, go. Kitty. Come on, Dixie, come here. Come here, Dixie. She's coming out. Wait, hold on, this is so funny. She's growling.
Go get her. Call Dixie.
Dixie, come here. Come here, girl. Come here.
Stop being a wimp.
The cat takes control of you. Let's go over here. Come on.
Okay, I love you.
Oh, oh my God, please don't mind me.
Gonna run, Dixie. Oh, Dixie's under the bed trying to go.
The cat's like, I'm ready. Give it to me.
Oh.
Good kitty.
Oh, poor kitty.
Oh.
Okay, one more time, kitty, then we're done.
Oh my God. Nope. Oh,
we're just gonna chase it around this time. Let's do something you will enjoy, Cat.
Oh my God.
Come on, you love sitting in this. Maybe you were skinnier, but you used to love sitting in this. Why won't you love me anymore? You fox. Okay, come on. No, why won't you love me?
That was rude.
I know, right?
If she opens the door, they'll probably go both out. Dude, let's go outside. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Jess, let's go.
Jamie, stop.
Come on, let's go. Come on. I think I got that. I hope I got that, man, for real. That's a good girl. That's a good girl. You are. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Okay, let's put that. I think we got it.
Okay, say bye.